Good morning, children. Now, after going through the sample papers of CBSE, that is the latest sample paper, I found that some one or two questions were from functional group also. So, I am making this video for you children to understand the concept of this functional group which is there. Okay. Now, in this, first we have to talk about alcohol. Alcohol, when we do it, we write down the functional group of alcohol is OH. Okay, this is the functional group which we write. As I have given you the definition of functional group earlier also, and again I am going to first, before proceeding to alcohol, let me give you one more definition again of a functional group. Any atom or group of atom, any atom or group of atom which when get attached to any hydrocarbon like alkanes, when any hydrocarbon gets attached to hydrocarbon, generally in class 10 level you will talk about with the alkanes. Okay, so, and it gives its property to that alkane and a new compound is formed. Like suppose from the methane, I will show you here also. Here, when methane is one alkane, when hydrogen of one alkane is removed, and in place of that, when OH group is attached, when alcohol is attached to it, you will get CH3OH. OH has taken the place of one hydrogen. One hydrogen has been replaced by OH. Now this compound is no more alkane, but it has changed to alcohol. See, this was the methane. This original compound was methane. Now it became methanol. Methanol. Now how to write down this name methanol? First to try to understand, then we will do the further example. Alcohol, we have used the functional group OH. While writing the name, we will use the suffix "ol". We will use the suffix "ol". Okay? And then, using that suffix "ol", we will write the name. When we write the name, replace the name of the alkane with the alcohol, we will see what we will do. We will drop this E from the alkane. That means, when from methane, E has been replaced by "ol". E has been replaced by "ol", and a new compound, that is methanol, is obtained. Now, whatever is the function, what is the property of this alcohol will be given up by this compound whole. The whole methane will now obey the property of this alcohol. Similarly, if we take another compound like ethane, when one hydrogen of this ethane is replaced by one alcoholic group OH, then you will get C2H5. One hydrogen has been removed and it is replaced by OH. Alcohol has been attached to it. In this, now earlier this compound was ethane. This was ethane, and this now ethane has E of ethane has been replaced by "ol". So you will write it down ethanol. Ethanol. Okay? Directly you can write ethanol like that. Similarly, when we do with the propane, we will get propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, and so on. Now, how to write down the different structures? How to write down the structures and some isomeric structures of this alcohol. We will see that. We will see the structures of alcohol. We will write it this way. First, I will write down the methanol as structure. Methanol. You know, methane means having one carbon, and this methane having 4 hydrogen, and out of this 4 hydrogen, one hydrogen has been replaced by OH group. Like this also you can write, and in more elaborated form you can write HC having all O and H. One important thing that you have to keep it in mind, children, is see the bondings. Each atom should obey its bonding, having its bonding, prescribed bonding. Like carbon. Carbon is having 4 bonds. You should see that carbon must have 4 bonds always, where how to arrange that 4 bond, that should be very clear. Oxygen has 2 bonds, so it has been replaced by this 2 on either side. One bond it is sharing with the carbon and another bond it is sharing with the hydrogen. And hydrogen is having 1 bond and it is getting through oxygen. Similarly, when we write down for ethanol, you will see how we will write. Ethane means 2 carbon and ethane C2H6 is there. And when we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogen is there earlier with the ethane, and 1 hydrogen from the ethane is replaced by OH. 1 hydrogen of ethane has been replaced by OH. So this compound is known as ethanol. Ethanol. Now when we write the IUPAC name, okay, in order to write down the IUPAC name, we will start counting from the carbon which is very near to this functional group. OH is the functional group attached to it. If you want, you can write down this in this form OH also. No harm in it. It is more preferable for the 10th class level. Now we will see ethane is there having 2 carbon and with the first carbon OH is attached. So we can write the name as ethanol. Ethanol. Actually both the carbon, either you write on this side or that side, every time 1 will come. So this main naming will be proceeded from the 3rd carbon onwards. Like with propanol. Okay. Example, propanol. When we write propanol, that means we are writing C3H7OH. Okay. Actually, ethane will be propane is C3H8. Propane is C3H8. 1 hydrogen has been replaced by 1 OH group. Now I am in this part, I am showing you how to write down the structures. Now propanol, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hydrogen is there. And you can see each hydrogen is each carbon is having 4 bonds satisfied and 1 OH is there. This is the first way to write down the formula for propanol. OH is having the first carbon. If it is having the first, we will start numbering from that side where OH is near. That is 1, 2, 3. Propane 1 ol. That is in 3 carbon compound, OH is attached to the first carbon. Same structure can be written as 1, 2, 3. If you write OH here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hydrogen has been satisfied. You can see very well. And now you can see that in this second example, I have written OH to the second carbon. Now, how to name this compound? Now the naming can be done from either side because both the side it is coming to be the second. So I will start writing from here 1, 2, 3. To the second carbon, OH group is attached. So the name of the compound will be propane 2-ol. Name of the compound will be propane 2-ol. Okay. Similarly, you can write down the various structures, isomeric structures of different compounds of alcohol. Children, hope you have understood the functional group alcohol for for the 10th class level, and similarly with another short videos I will explain to you with aldehyde and ketones and acids also.